Hello guys, welcome back to A&J's Foods. Today we're going to be making some chicken, but before we get started, I want to show you a dice trick. Alright, well, there's nothing else to do. Let's get started seasoning. I'll get the seasons and we'll get ready. Alright, well, here we get to the seasoning. So, got a chicken leg right here. And we can lay some chicken legs out first before we start seasoning. Lay like 2 in each row. Do like, so we got salt, garlic powder, and some Creole, right? Creole seasoning. So I say we start with some salt. I don't want too much salt, nothing too salty. Okay, then with the garlic powder. And kind of just mix it around. Okay, and then this one. Oh shoot, okay, and then get the Creole seasoning. This one comes up pretty easy, I'm pretty sure, so I'm not careful with this one. Oh, that was a lot. Dang. Alright guys, we got the chicken cooking on the grill. So right now we're waiting for it to flip it. So when it's ready for its first flip, we'll tell y'all guys. Alright, bye for now. Alright guys, here's how the chicken's turning out so far. Looking good so far. See y'all when it's ready. Alright guys, here's a little bit of an update on the chicken. Getting close to being ready. Looks good. Alright guys, right now we're just rotating these. We're getting cooked right now. That one, this one. Oh guys, right now the chicken's ready, so with nothing else to do, put it on the plate. These are gonna be some spicy barbecue chicken legs. might need another plate. Trying to put as much as I can. That's as much as it can hold for now. I'm putting that inside. Oh guys, a food testing here with AJ's Foods. Got a wing here. And then we got some rice that my mom was making. So, with nothing else to do, let's dig in. And then we got some spicy barbecue sauce here. Put some aside. Okay. And, oh, dang, that's hot. I should wait for it to cool down a bit. Try this. Mmm. 10 out of 10. Really good? Alright. Well, bye for now, guys. See you next time.